Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to analyze goal forecast for your next week goal trading. So you can join with my Telegram link is below gold trading community and make good profit from the gold trading. So let's see what will going on next week. So I'm in a 4-hour time frame. Still not break out this trend line. Price is still uptrend continuation to the upside. This is the last week was created new all-time high 4058. So can be two scenarios. This is the resistance level, break out this resistance level, and that is your buy opportunity. That's the first scenario can be happen next week, and the second scenario is the price rejected from this trend line and break out this trend line below support level is the 3950. So 3950, 4050, that's the two important technical levels with the gold trading next week. So you should touch with these two levels with the technical analysis with the 4-hour chart. This is the levels 4050 and the 3950 is the support, and the resistance is the 4058 level. So I am going to the weekly chart goal. So you can see last week weekly candle is the still green candle. So you can see the more green candles there. Buyers are strong. Buyers are still interesting to buy gold. Still gold demand. So last week $150 above, close to the $200, above $150 gold price demand last week. So more people ask the question is the what are the reason for gold demand. The simple answer is the gold is the safe haven asset. So more global geopolitical uncertainty is the reason for gold demand. First reason is the US government is still shutdown continuation as the second week still US government shutdown, no NFP data is still released. So geopolitical uncertainty is the US government. That's the main reason for gold demand. So still government shutdown continuation. So second reason is the French government. So French Prime Minister and there's the geopolitical uncertainty is the French government last week. So that is the another reason for gold demand. And the third reason is the trade war uncertainty is the still continuation. That's the FX Street website mentioned. Gold surge near $4,000 US China. Trade tension ignite heaven demand. So still US China trade tension is the there. That's the Donald Trump said last week. So we stop the more imported from the China. So that's the trade war uncertainty is still continuation. That's the gold demand. That's the fourth reason is the rate cut. So two FOMC meetings coming in this year, October and December. You can see the December FOMC meeting additional rate cut was priced into the market last week, and the October FOMC meeting 25 BPS rate cut of price into the market. So this 25 BPS cutoff now price into the market. So last week was price in, so that will push to the gold upside. Dollar sell off with the rate cutoff price into the market. So interesting things is the these two rate cutoffs price into the market now. That's the reasons. That's the more reasons for the that's the gold demand reasons. So more reasons. Fifth reasons is the that's the FOMC meeting. So Fed minutes is there last week. That's the dovish tone with the FOMC. So dovish FOMC that will help to gold pushed to the upside. That's the main reason for the gold demand. So I'm in the daily chart gold. You can see the last Thursday red candle. This is the interesting there. So last Thursday, $100 gold price dropped to the below side. So main reason is the safe haven demand drop, Gaza peace talks. So Donald Trump said that's the interesting there. Gaza peace talks is going on. the permanent peace talks going on. So that is the impact to the safe haven asset demand drop last week Thursday, and you can see the gold buyers take profit from the high price 4,058 price. So $100 gold price dropped to the last week. That's the red candle was created. That was the reason for the red candle created last week. That is the fundamental behind the chart. You should know the fundamentals if you are trading gold well. So only technicals, you can't trade gold. So last Friday, again buyers pushed to the upside. Again buyers pushed to the $4,000 gold price. Is still gold is the uptrend. Is still gold price demand to the upside. So I am going to the 4-hour chart. What is the technically picture behind the chart if you are trading gold next week? So I am seeing here this pattern, triangle pattern. So this is the patterns trading. You can see, you can combine with the patterns to get the technical levels. So enter the markets. This is the triangle pattern. This pattern I am seeing here, gold chart. So let's see the breakout. Wait for the breakout next week. So you can see the breakout to the upside retest. That is the new all-time high will be created. Another new all-time high can be created in next week. So breakout to the upside. So resistance is the 4,058 is the nearest resistance level. So can be breakout this level also. So wait for the price action. So not breakout and the US government shutdown will be closed and the safe haven demand drop and rate cutoff already priced into the market. That can be gold drop to the below side. So break out this trend line retest. That is the below support level is the 3,950 level. So that's the two important levels next week gold trading. So I think gold price can be these two levels can be ranging next week. That's the resistance 4,050 and support 3,950. Gold price can be ranged this two levels, and the breakout these two levels and the price sections in these levels, you can get the enter the trade. So can be happen. There's two scenarios in the next week. So that is the important zone, important level with the technically zones. These two levels you should touch with the next week gold trading. So you can join with my Telegram link and community, get the accurate gold trading analysis and the combined with the fundamental and the technical setup. So thank you very much.